touch down, the streets are tight. From Boston, London, here tonight. They want the crack, they want the stout. Let's see who makes it out. They call us mad, they call us wise. Saints and scholars, sharp replies. Silver tongues and hearts so bold. We spin shite, but pints stay cold. Mohone, raise a glass. Step it quick, now make it fast. Go boget, take it slow. Affect that lash it, go, go, go. Floats roll past, the pipers blare. A Yank shouts, kiss me, I just stare. Flags fly high, the drums the cheer. Best fucking day of the feckin' year. Down Dane Street we spill our beer. A French lad roars, sline to deer. The session's calling, no time to waste. Let's show them how the Irish taste. Mohone, raise a glass. Step it quick, now make it fast. To go boget, take it slow. Affect that lash it, go, go, go. From Grogan's bar to the long hall, Guinness flows, the big men brawl. One lad's lost inside a bin, another's fighting with the wind. Fiddles wail down Temple Bar. Some poor Yank's 10 shots too far. He shouts, I'm Irish, Nan was too. A sure lad, aren't we all that too? Bouncer shouts, now lads take care. I just grin, sure who's rare. One more shot, one more toast. Someone swings, that was close. A fellow roars, mayo for Sam. A dub just laughs, you're dreaming man. Guards arrive, now break it up. Sure it's Paddy's day, we've had enough. Mohone, raise a glass. Step it quick, now make it fast. To go boget, take it slow. Affect that lash it, go, go, go. Are wrecked, the pints are gone. Some lads asleep outside St. John's. Till next year comes, we'll do it right. I feck it same again tonight. The streets are wrecked, the pints are gone. Some lads asleep outside St. John's. Till next year comes, we'll do it right. A feck it, same again tonight.